When you use rotate or scale commands, the base point will be automatically set on the pivot point. This is the pivot point. And if you scale, it will be set the base point on the pivot. Also same if you rotate the objects, the pivot point will be set into the base point. Different if you use the move tools, like I will select this object, and this is the pivot point. When you use the move, the base point will be set into the cursor. So in this case, you can change the base point by typing B, and then you can set the base point. I will click at this corner. You can move into the corner of the box object. I will select again this object, tap G to move, and then tap B to set the base point. I will select in here for base point. You can move again into here. To scale or rotate, like I will select this object. And if you want to change the pivot points, you can active for the snap. I will set the vertex and also at center. Don't forget to press shift button to select multiple. And after it, you can move the 3D cursor. Like I will move into here, 3D cursor. Now you can go to object menu, click set origin, and then click origin to 3D cursor. So the pivot point will be moved into this corner. The next, you can rotate like this, and you can set for the y-axis, and will be rooted in the pivot in y-axis. And you can click. Now you can set for the rotation value. Like I will set into minus 90 degree. Press enter to apply. Click out set, and then you can move by select the object, tap G, and then you can set for the base point, tap B, and I will click in here for base point. You can move into here. Also same if you want to scale the object, you need to move the pivot point into another area. Like I will move again with the 3D cursor. You can move into middle point in here, in this edge. And then you can go to object, click on set origin, and then click origin to 3D cursor. The pivot point will be moved. And then you can scale this like in Z axis, make it more small, and you can click to apply. Now we can move again, use the B to set the base point, and I will click in here, base point. You can move again into middle point in this edge.